Hello, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we just discussed the theory of linear regression. And in this lesson, we will be forecasting with linear regression model. Let's get started right away. Here I have the data set in which we have actual demand or actual sales so far till July. We have this much data and we want to predict for next 4 months. First, you go and select your data and you need to plot a straight line graph with it. Here you come and you select a straight line graph. Since August to November is what we need to forecast, we won't include this into our data set. So this is the data set we have, and this is how the forecast is. The actual sales is from Jan 21 to July 22. Now let us plot a linear line for this. You come here, add, click to the plus sign, come here on the trend, select the side arrow and click on linear. And as soon as you do that, you will see a linear line which is passing through the all data points. Now once you have the linear line, you would like to, as per a theory, that a line is in the form of equation which is y is equal to mx plus c, right? So we would like to know m and c to predict the y, our dependent variable. So how would you do it? You come here, click on the line, do a right click, come here and do format trend line. After doing it, you will see here it's linear mentioned. You scroll below and at the end you will find an option where it says display equation on the chart. You select that and you also do display r square value on the chart. And this is the same r square which we discussed during our autoregressive model. So here we have both of the details visible now. Now we have the equation plotted. Y is equal to 1.567 4x minus 69337 and r square is 0.8. And 0.8 r square means that 80% of our data points are covered in this line. So when you forecast with this, so 80% are the chances that you would be accurate. Now with this equation, we would like to forecast for the future. So let me just zoom it if you can't see the equation. So this is the equation on the chart, you can see. Now since our equation is y is equal to mx plus c, so this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So with this, what is the m? Very simple, it's 1.5674. This is the m. And c is minus 69337. So this is the next thing which you need to capture from this equation. Once you have this, you don't need that equation again. You can come here below and see your future points are plotted. So I have what formula I have used. I have just converted that y is equal to the forecast is equal to in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So let me just show you the formula, after which you will get an idea. So August forecast is, let me just make the screen big. Yes, now you can see the August forecast. What is the formula? It's G1, which is the M, right? MX. So X is B23, which is the month, plus C, which is the intercept. Y is equal to MX plus C. So we have now got this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, and we can calculate the forecast for the future based upon this data. So these are the 4 new points. Now if you want to add those points, add those data points in the graph, you can do so and see how the future looks. You come here and you just drag it below, and we have forecast from August, September, October, November. So we just see last 4 points, which is August, September, October, November. So here is the forecast for next 4 months as per the linear regression. So as you can see, it is quite in line with the trend that which the our historical shipments are following. So this is it for this lesson. For doing the linear regression forecasting, you just go ahead, calculate MNC with this inbuilt function of Excel, in which you can enable the equation on its own and you can get that linear equation, get MNC from that and forecast for the future. Thank you and have a great day.